Hey guys, welcome to my TikTok channel. This is Simlu Creative Kitchen. Today I'm just going to show you a simple way you can marinate your fish. When you marinate your fish, you can fry it, steam it, brown stew it, or even put it on the grill. And you don't have to do anything special either way. Okay, so first of all, you want to make sure that you wash your fish very good with lemon or even vinegar, because you know fish is very raw and you don't want that raw smell. Also, a nice way to get that seasoning in is to slit it at the side there. That way you can definitely just go ahead and rub all the seasoning in, and that will soak it right through. Also, these are the seasonings that I use. I just pretty much use a teaspoon of each. You can add more depending on the amount of fish that you have, and you just mix them all in together. Yeah, so yeah, you don't need anything special. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and rub it right in there. Turn it over and rub it right in there as well. All the mixture of the season soak right through the fish. And then you're gonna open the fish wide open there. And then you're going to sprinkle the season. And let me tell you, this is the best part of the fish, guys. A lot of people don't eat the head of the fish, but this is the best part, the head. So you wanna use your finger and rub that season in, all right? And then you're gonna sprinkle some more on top of it. And then you're gonna go ahead and just massage it in. Massage it, yes. Like a nice massage. You're giving that dead fish a nice massage. Yeah, and that's, you know, you're just rubbing the flavor in. You're going to taste it at the end of it. You're going to taste it, whatever you choose to do to it. If you choose to grill it, fry it, you know, whatever you choose. All right. So here I'm just going to cut up these wonderful vegetables. Again, if you are steaming it, all you have to do is just pour all I can do a video. If you want a video of me cooking these fish all those many different ways, just let me know in the comment. Let me know. I'm here for you guys. All right, so I'll show you how to marinate the meats. If you want to know how to cook it, I can show you that too. I mean, we got 3 minutes now on TikTok. Come on, I can do that for you. Look how nice and pretty. With this, I'm going to fry it. So if you want to see that video when I do that nice escovitch fish, or, oh, actually no, I'm going to make sweet and spicy fish. Do you want to see that? Hit a like. All right, remember to follow, share,